Okay, so let's play Wordle. Let's try to make this game in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. First, I started off creating the basic HTML layout and CSS to style it, so it doesn't look too boring. Next, I styled the position where the boxes would be. Afterwards, I changed the color and set the classes so the tiles could be green, yellow, or gray. I made a JavaScript file and made a function to generate the boxes using loops. And I finally created the boxes. How do I fix this problem? Oh, a typo. And I finally created the boxes. Create a list for an array and then ask the game to pick one word from the array. The index is generated by finding how many values are in that list and then generating a random number. And then that's how you make Wordle. Subscribe.